you recently come up with the idea that you're ready to start a coaching business? How exciting! Or maybe you've already started your coaching business and you don't even know where to begin or how to launch it or how to get clients. The good news is you're not alone. Starting a coaching business can feel extremely overwhelming, especially if you try to do it all on your own. But you don't have to do it alone. As a coach that trains coaches, I love to be able to support people on the journey of bringing that big vision and dream and goal that they have to life through their coaching business. One of the very things that helped me to succeed as a coach was to be able to get support. So don't try to blaze the trail alone. Don't try to start a new system. There's already a trail available and ready for you to walk through. And the great thing is you just get to shift it and change it and make it your own. So what I am going to extend to you today is an amazing offer. I am going to give you access to my free training bundle that allows you to get your next paying or first paying client now. I walk you through a system that I use to authentically show up in my own energy, to teach my coaches to do the same, and to be able to attract the right people to them so that they're working with their dream clients. If you're truly ready to get the ball rolling and you are in a place to bring in new clients and to use your voice, your story, and your approach to impact the world in a crazy and transformational way, then this is a training you do not want to miss. Use the link below to join us, totally free, and I look forward to seeing you there on the inside. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there's some super special freebies for those fast action takers, so don't wait, don't hesitate, join us using the link below, and I'll see you there.